This is your AI news update, and things are getting weird fast. Netflix just tried using AI to produce scenes for a sci-fi show. Microsoft gave Copilot eyes and a virtual face. ChatGPT's agent mode is now acting like your overly helpful personal assistant. Perplexity just launched an AI browser to kill Google. AlphaEarth is training AI to save the planet before we finish wrecking it. And robots? They're folding your laundry now and might steal your factory job while they're at it. Are we one step closer to being replaced? You're watching What's Next AI. Let's dive in. Let's start with Netflix. They just announced that their upcoming sci-fi series will include AI-generated scenes. According to Netflix, using AI sped up production by 10 times and cut costs significantly. In this case, the AI was used to create destruction shots, like buildings collapsing, the kind of scenes that would normally take a massive VFX team weeks to pull off. On the other hand, Microsoft's Copilot AI has added Vision AI capabilities, which means it can literally see what's happening on your screen in real time. So instead of you typing out a long prompt like "summarize this Excel sheet" or "rewrite this email," you can just leave it open, and Copilot will look at your screen, figure out what's there, and start helping automatically. You can ask questions about what you're working on, and it responds based on what it sees, like a second brain, watching your desktop and stepping in when needed. Think of it like having a super assistant that's actually paying attention. OpenAI just rolled out agent mode for ChatGPT, and yep, it's still a paid feature, but here's what makes it wild. ChatGPT can now browse the internet, not just a couple of sites. It can scan dozens to dig up exactly what you need, but it doesn't stop there. It can actually perform real tasks for you, like booking hotels. When it hits a login page, it asks you to log in once, and then it just keeps going. Book the room. Done. It also works for restaurant reservations, movie tickets, slideshows, spreadsheets, you name it. Picture this: ChatGPT sitting at your computer, clicking around, doing your errands. That's the level we're at now. Meanwhile, Perplexity AI just launched its Comet AI browser. It can summarize web pages, organize your research into collections, and even auto-close tabs you're no longer using. Watching a video? Comet can summarize that too. Planning your day? It can review your calendar, check your email, and give you instant answers based on what you're doing, all in real time. The idea is to turn your browser into a real AI assistant, one that keeps track of what you're working on and helps you stay focused instead of getting buried in tabs. Just a heads up, it's only available if you're on Perplexity's paid plan. Shifting gears to something a little more visual, Microsoft's AI now comes with a new appearance. By default, it's a face with eyes and a mouth, but you can swap it out for different looks. It even shows real-time emotional expressions based on your interactions. And get this, Microsoft says the face might age over time. The more you use it, the older it gets. AI is getting real personality now. Grok, the chatbot from X, just launched a 3D anime companion named Ani, part of their paid Companions feature. She's got the full package: gothic corset, thigh-high stockings, and a flirty vibe. Once you unlock her, you can chat casually, hang out, and, of course, the internet's already calling her a waifu, because what else would they do? Yes, this is weird. You can now date your AI. Now, this next one feels like sci-fi, but it's real. Google DeepMind just compressed the entire planet Earth into a single AI model. Yep, they've built a high-resolution digital twin of the Earth, one that tracks forests, clouds, climate, land use, all in one go. Think of it like Google Maps, on super steroids. Normally, this kind of data is scattered. One layer for forests, one for cities, another for farmland. AlphaEarth smooshes it all together into one massive AI-powered view. You can zoom in anywhere, see insane detail down to 10 meters. And here's the wild part: it uses 16 times less storage, and still beats other models with 24% lower error rate. So yeah, it's saving the planet and your hard drive. Huge props to DeepMind, the same team behind AlphaFold, Weather Lab, and even Dolphin Communication Research. They're also pushing breakthroughs in genomics, chemistry, and AI for math and code, with models like AlphaGenome and AlphaDev. All right, time to get serious for a moment. Microsoft has teamed up with Anthropic and OpenAI, together supporting the American Federation of Teachers, to launch the National Academy for AI Instruction in New York City later this year. It's a full-on training program with real certifications, teaching educators how to use AI tools like ChatGPT and Copilot not just for lessons, but for quizzes, communication, and personalized learning. Microsoft is putting in $12.5 million, OpenAI another $10 million, and Anthropic is on board too. But it's teachers, not tech companies, who are in the driver's seat. Meanwhile, over at Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore, AI is now being trained to perform real surgeries. Sure, surgical robots aren't new. The Da Vinci system has been around for years. But now, AI has taken it further. It successfully performed gallbladder surgery on a pig, with no human hands involved. A small step for surgery, a giant leap for autonomous medicine. To truly operate solo, though, AI still needs a lot more surgical data to train on. And beyond that, researchers are also developing humanoid robots that could assist doctors directly in the operating room. Let's kick off the robot roundup with one that got everyone talking. Figure AI's new demo shows the Figure 02 robot casually doing laundry. Okay, technically it just tosses clothes into a washer. The clothes are light. The basket is huge. Hard to miss, even for a robot. They didn't show it pressing any buttons or starting the machine, so we're not quite at full laundry service yet. But it's a start. And let's be honest, most of us would love a robot to do the laundry, wash the dishes, take out the trash, and maybe raise the kids too. Next, China's UbiTech dropped a demo of their humanoid robot, Walker S2, and this one can swap its own batteries. It has 2 battery packs in its back and literally pulls one out and pops the other in. So while humans need sleep, breaks, or vacations, Walker S2 just keeps going, non-stop 24/7, makes you wonder how many jobs could be replaced by this thing. The third robot is LimX Oli. This humanoid is 1.65 meters tall, has 31 degrees of freedom, and apparently wants to steal all our jobs. It can walk, lift weights, do kung fu in the park, work in warehouses, sort objects, and yes, even throw trash like a pro. Honestly, the item sorting demo is way more impressive than the laundry bot. The targets are smaller, the bins are tighter, and it still nails the task autonomously. Also, it dances. Kind of awkwardly, but still. Cute, terrifying, and efficient. That's a dangerous combo. Last up, Hugging Face's new baby bot, the Reachy mini robot. It's got a moving head and body, a mic, sensors, and speakers, the whole package. Its real potential hasn't been unlocked yet, but Hugging Face launched it as an open-source platform, hoping the community will build new abilities into it. Think of it as a programmable desk buddy, just waiting to level up. That's your quick tour through the latest in AI. From robots doing laundry to AI girlfriends and AI trying to save the planet. Yeah, things are moving fast. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. This is What's Next AI. See you in the next one.